All right, my crafty friends. Hi, we made it. This is the final flip through of the blue folio. Although if you've been following along, you probably don't need a flip through at this point and you can skip on by this, but I'm going to put it here anyway. And then if you haven't gone through the other videos, you can see what the final product looks like and decide if you want to make one. All right, so we have the cover here. And it has some of those Sizzix Tim Holtz die cuts, wildflowers, here in the colors that match the theme. And then we have that cover plate we put on here with the brads that kind of look like it's bolted on to the cover. And we have the little inspirations word with the same thing and that ribbon behind. Now, this is a lap book style folio, so it's got a blank back. This is the spine where the journal is on the inside. This is just the other side of that. And then because it's a lap book style, it opens like so with the journal in the middle, and then it flips out to the left and to the right. And I hope all of that's in there in the screen. Yes, it is. So we'll start with the journal. So the journal is a removable journal that's just held together with this little binder clip with some of these circles from my butterfly circle kit here, butterflies and dragonflies. So that comes off, and then this journal is removable. So this elastic band here holds the journal in, and it's just got a little macrame knot there in the middle. But this can slide out and back in. You can replace it with another journal if you choose, and it's just held together with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. And then the inside pieces of that stitch are just holding these little tabbies. The rest of the journal is just a lot of coffee dyed paper. And this is some tracing paper that I printed. Some more coffee dyed paper. Some pages that are from the kit. And then I made some journal pages. So it's a combination of those. Just some random pieces. This is a piece of tissue paper or tracing paper that I coffee dyed, and it's nice and crinkly. And then this side is just the opposite. So there's a lot of room in here for journaling. On the left side, we have this pocket that holds up here with a binder clip, and it's an envelope rather. And it's from the kit. This is blank underneath, so you could put photographs here, or you could journal here, whatever you want to do. Inside this little envelope, I have put all the extra bits from the kit, all the little pieces of ephemera, journaling cards, little pockets, things like that. And that just closes with this little moth or butterfly here, and that clips there. And then this flips open. We have a pocket here. This is 1, 2, 3 pockets, and I made this using a tutorial from Paper Inspirations, and that video is linked in the series to making this folio, so you can check that out over there. But she uses 12 by 12 sheets to make a full, there's another piece in here I'll show you. A full set of pieces for your journal. So it's a fun little video. I would check it out. So this one has 3 pockets, and I just stuck some of the pieces of the kit in here and some homemade tags. So we have 3 pockets, or you could, you know, the way that she has it, you could do it a side pocket, or you can make this a flip out. I just left it as 3 pockets, and then I put these little bits in here with this little memories word here. We have a removable notepad here that is held on with some little Velcro dots. There's 3 of them here. And this is just some more coffee dyed paper that I attached to the notepad. Put a little blossom, one of the words in the kit there, and that goes here. Okay, so that's removable, and you can replace it if you use it all up. You just make another one. This flips out. There is a piece of avocado dyed paper in here that's letter size for writing or leaving yourself a little note. This is a 3-pocket side pocket. It's like a Z-fold pocket, and I have a video on my channel on how to make these, but they're super simple. It's also in this make, so you can see how to make it in this make. So this just has some tags in it that I thought could be used as gift tags, or you know, whatever you like. This could be a little mini bookmark. This is just some decorative items from the kit. This folds over, this closes, then we go to this side, and on this side we have a little pocket here where I've put some other pieces of journaling cards and such here. Plus I had some of these leftover dies, so I just kind of tucked them in here because they were too big for the envelope. So this is just a tuck. It's not a pocket, but so you could put something a little bigger in here if you wanted. Then we open here, and this side we have another tall bookmark or tag or gift tag here. This flips out. There's some journaling space here, and there is a journaling card tucked in here as well with some matching paper. It just tucks back in here. And then here we have a belly band with just some writing paper tucked under it. So this is just some coffee dyed paper that's folded over and tucked in there. So you can use that up and replace it if you want. On this side, we have this pocket, which is the other piece that goes with the kit here. This in that video. And so what I did here was I made this a floating pocket, and it's attached with this embellished paper clip, which just adds another design element to the pocket. And then you have a pocket here. You also have a pocket here. And on the back side of this, I have a hidden pocket with a little piece of coffee dyed paper, so you can leave a hidden note there if you wanted to. We'll leave that off for now. This is great for pictures or journaling. Inside here we have another folder type pocket, and it has some of these pieces from the kit in here, and just some words and some more journaling space and decorative items. And so that just tucks back in here. Plant seeds of happiness. And then we have this piece of lace, which is also over to the other side here. So it's just a little bit of peekaboo lace there. And then the top of this is just blank for journaling. This is a little gusseted pocket where I have stored some coffee dyed envelopes which go with the paper, so you can write some letters and send them out. This could be another correspondence folio. So this comes back down, and then we can put our floating pocket back on here like so. I just like the way that looks. Just kind of adds to the decorative piece there. All right, and then this flaps back over, flaps back in. This one flaps back in, and it closes up like that. The back is just blank. And we can clip our journal back together. You don't have to, but I thought that was cute to hang there. You can just clip that back together, and I decided it didn't really need a wrap because it pretty much stays closed, and even standing you could put it between some books or up against a book, but just laying on a desk or something, it would just stay closed. So it really doesn't need it doesn't need anything wrapped around it that would cover up this pretty cover. I am including, whoever gets this, I'm going to include this notepad and little mini journal that I made with this set at Paper Inspirations. And I'm going to list this on my Etsy store, though I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to do that, but keep an eye out in the shop, and the links for everything is down below. So thanks for joining me for this. I hope you made one of your own and you'll share it with me on Instagram. My Insta is below as well. Or just comment on this video and leave me a link if you made your own video. I'd love to watch. So that's that, and yeah, just all the video links for the parts. There's 4 parts and then this flip through. They're all linked in the description, along with some other stuff that, you know, to get this kit from the journal boat and things like that. So I hope you'll check it out. I hope you will make one of your own, and I really truly appreciate you joining me through this journey, which was a little crazy at times, a little long at times, but a lot of fun all the way through, at least in my opinion. I hope you agree, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.